Welcome to J&J's test video of SMMA 269. This is a 91 Miata, 125,000 miles, running, driving, automatic, 410 open rear end, hitting the left side there. Got a little ticky up front, but that'll go away. It's just been running for a little bit. No blow by. Might need its valve adjusted, could need an oil change. These cars sit around for a long time. Drive it around, see what we got. Manual windows, aftermarket cruise, 125,866. Looks good oil pressure. Suspension's a little tweaked. See, shifts all the way down to the bottom. Somebody asked once if that did that. There's second, there's third. Woo. Woo-hoo. All right. That's it. SMMA 269. Some cars, yeah. You can see how the wheels a little turned that way, hitting the corner. Be all right. Motor's quieting down a little bit. A little ticky in there, but that's okay. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered.